Standing in a kitchen trying to stir a pot of pasta with one hand while balancing a fussy infant on your hip is a universal parenting ritual that makes you rethink every piece of gear you own. That is exactly where a budget-friendly option like the Orzbow Portable Baby Bouncer starts to look like a genius move. We often see those high-end designer bouncers that cost more than a supplement, but this brand is taking a different path. It targets the parents who need a functional tool without the luxury tax. When you first pull this out of the box, the weight is the first thing that hits you. It is incredibly light. You can move it from room to room with one hand while the other is full of laundry or coffee. Some versions even include a storage bag. This makes it a perfect candidate for a trip to the park or a weekend stay at a relative's house. It does not just sit there either. It offers three distinct recline positions to match your baby's current vibe. There is a higher setting for when they want to watch you fold towels. There is a middle recline for hanging out. Then there is a lower angle for those quiet moments when they might just need to relax. The seat is built with an ergonomic focus to support the back and neck. Some models even come with a removable cushion. This is a massive plus because we all know that baby gear gets dirty fast. Being able to strip the fabric off for a quick wash is a lifesaver. The fabric is usually breathable or seasonal. This helps keep the little one comfortable whether it is a humid summer afternoon or a chilly winter morning. Safety is handled by a standard 3-point harness. It is simple. It is effective. It keeps them tucked in while they kick and bounce. But we have to look at the reality of the price point. This is not a premium product. The materials feel like what you pay for. They are more basic than the plush, heavy-duty fabrics found on expensive alternatives. The bounce motion is also a bit more rigid. It does not have that buttery-smooth, natural sway of a high-end spring system. It is functional rather than refined. Durability might be a question if you plan on passing this down through 5 different kids. However, for a single family looking for a daily helper, it holds its own. It is the perfect spot to back your baby for 20 minutes while you take a shower or answer an email. It folds remarkably flat. You can slide it under the bed or behind a bookshelf when guests come over. That portability is its greatest strength. It is a short-term convenience tool, not a full-time bed. If you want luxury materials and a silent motion, you might want to keep looking. But if you want a reliable, lightweight, and affordable way to get your hands back for a few minutes a day, this bouncer delivers. It is about matching your needs to your budget. For the price, it gets the job done without any unnecessary drama. This is a solid piece of gear for the practical parent who values mobility and simplicity over high-end aesthetics. Just keep your expectations grounded, and you will find it is a very helpful addition to your daily routine.